In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com for creatives. Whether you're managing a team of designers, photographers, or any other creative professionals, Monday.com can significantly enhance your workflow and help you manage your projects with ease. Let's dive right in. First, head over to your Monday.com workspace. It's the hub where all your projects come to life, and from here, you'll be able to create boards that cater specifically to your creative needs. Once you're in, you'll want to click on New Board. This is essentially the foundation for organizing your tasks, where you'll structure everything from incoming requests to completed projects. When you create your new board, type in a descriptive name like Creative Request. Naming your board in a way that reflects its purpose will help you and your team easily identify and navigate to it later. After naming your board, go ahead and click Create Board. This action will set up a blank canvas where you can start crafting your workflow. Next, you'll need to add groups. Think of these groups as stages in your creative process. Common headings include incoming requests, in progress, review, and completed. By doing this, you can move tasks seamlessly through each phase, keeping your team informed on project statuses. To further organize your board, consider adding columns. Columns can include details such as the person responsible, due dates, timelines, text descriptions, and file attachments. These columns act as essential data